Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So today let me show you how to, if you buy one of those Moogs or any Greasable Endling like this one, so you got the fitting right here. They call it the Zlirfy. So the fitting right here for re-greasing the Endling. um, so my recommendation, if you buy one of these things, it could last forever. If you just need to re-grease it every 6 months or maybe a year, if you don't drive that much. um, and let me show you how to do it today. So it's pretty simple and easy to do. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to buy a grease gun, which I got here. Is pretty cheap. It's about $15, and you need to buy a grease tube to fit in the gun so you can get the grease out. Now when you buy one of these things, it come with this coupler, as you can see. So this one is junk, so don't use it, because the problem is it's leak a lot when you actually use it, so it's not very secure. So what you want to do is pay extra $8 more to get this kind of coupler. So it's a lot easier. So let me show you how to do it first. So you install the new coupler in, and let me show you how to re-grease this thing. It's not really hard. So you remove this thing. All right. So what you got here is this coupler right here, right? So you want to get into your grease, your fitting, or they call it the Zlirfy. So what you do is make sure you have a little test. Make sure you can pump out a little grease. See, as you can see, the grease coming out, so that means good. Now you just press this in, and then get that in there, and that's it. So now you can pump the grease in, and as you can see there, a little closer so you can see. So when I pump it, just need about maybe 2 pump grease, and that's good enough. This thing will blow it out. 1, see, you can see it. If you pump 2 and it's coming out, the grease coming out, that's mean you are good. So just remove it, clean out all the grease that's gonna come out, clean out all the fitting itself. And that's it. You are done. So the grease is gonna keep coming out for a little bit. Go ahead and clean that off. That's fine. And you are done. So you do that to your other side too, and you should be done. So that's it. Very easy to do. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is to my car, Toyota Sienna, and last time I installed the Moog Endling in here. It have been 7 months already, so I'll show you how to re-grease it. It's pretty simple. Basically, it's the same thing that we did on the sample over there. So you want to get under the car. Give me a second. Under the car. So as you can see, the fitting is right here, like this, for the bottom one, and the top one's up there. So first, what you want to do is you want to clean the fitting off first before you put the coupler in, so we don't want to get all the dirt going inside. So after you clean it off, next thing you want to do is get your coupler, press it, insert it in, and then let it go. So now you got everything nice and neat fit in. So next thing you want to do is you just pump, do about maybe two pump, and that should be enough. So one pump, two pump. So as you can see, it's kind of right here. It's okay if it's come out a little bit. So you just need to clean that off. And now with two pump, you take it out. Everything look good. Go ahead and clean it off. And remember, later on when you drive it, some grease might come out, which is normal. Make sure you clean that off too. And that is good. Okay, now if you want to grease the one on top, it make your life a lot easier if you turn the wheel this side, so you can have access to the top. So right here, like I did right here, and plug it in. So make sure you clean the fitting before you insert the coupler. And when you got it in, go ahead and give it about two pump. One, two pump is enough. You can go extra, three pump. As you can see, it's done. Now you can take it off. Take it off, and then go ahead and get a, where's my, okay, as you can see, look good. Now get a towel, any Scott blue towel, fine, or you call it shop towel, and make sure you clean off at the end. And then you are good. So like I said, you have a little grease in here, so when you driving it, you probably, is some of the grease gonna come out on this side, on the end of the boot, which is fine, that's just normal. So make sure you clean off, look nice and neat, and basically you are done. So you're done with the bottom, and you're also done with the top. So like I said, you only need to, if you get, first time it's going to be a little difficult to grease. Well, it's not really difficult, but first time it's not going to be as smooth as you want it, but that's fine. But when you get used to it, the second time should be a lot easier. Anyways, like I said, the main point is you need to re-grease this thing every 6 months if you drive a lot. If you drive little, one a year, and you are good. And this thing should last for a very long time. All you need to do is get fresh grease in here occasionally. So if you have one of those Greasable Endlinks, the one I got is the Moog one, and they have all the other brands that have the Greasable end too, so fitting too. So I would definitely recommend getting a Greasable one, and then it's the knot one. So that's it. Hopefully you find it useful. With grease, it's pretty simple, it's pretty easy to do. About 10 minutes and you are done, and you only do this every 6 months or maybe one time a year, so it's not a big deal. So this is the way you can keep the grease in here fresh, and this thing will last for a very long time. So I hope you find this useful. I hope you find this informative, And that's it for this video, and I will see you guys on the next video. So I'm just showing you how to do it on one side, okay? So make sure you do the other side too. Don't just do just one side. But anyway, that's it for this video, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.